Good evening, YouTubers. Welcome to another do it yourself and how to. Today's video is about tool review, the Tradespro. The Tradespro 14.4 volts torque wrench, 3/8 drive. It comes with battery charger and the gun. I will be removing my lug nuts of my vehicle because I would be changing some damaged studs. I have a torque wrench which the lug nuts are set at 85 foot-pound. I use these reducers to take it from 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Let's begin. I have my auto jar for if in case the Tradespro doesn't make the grade, so I have a backup. Let's begin. When I went to the tire shop, they damaged these lug nuts, so I would be changing it and also doing a brake inspection and if possible change. Let us see how the Tradespro at 100 foot-pound will perform. Here goes nothing. Quite surprised. Didn't expect that. I didn't expect that at all. The Tradespro 100 foot-pound. Let's try the other side. Okay, let me try 100 and see. Let me stretch the limit. Right now it's kind of too late for me to tackle the brakes. I'll be taking out the wheel tonight and tomorrow. get the torque wrench. Okay, working with one hand. Let me set the torque wrench to 100. I should come with my tripod. Per pound. Come on, focus. This is the adapter, 3/8, 2/2 inch adapter. Now I cannot remember which two. This one. And that one. Okay, here goes nothing. I think I was going the wrong way. Foot per pound, no way. I think I jumped the gun from 85 to 100. I should have done 90, but this is the Tradespro. I spoke too fast. I spoke too fast. Here the Tradespro I've just passed the test at 100 foot per pound. The torque specs for the lug nuts on the surf is 80 to 85 foot per pound. It did it at 85 and I run 2 at 100 and it did it. So tomorrow I will be taking out the tire. I did the setup tonight. Tomorrow I'll be taking out the tire, checking the brakes and changing my lug nuts. You see I got a prop and I also brace the back. I brought my auto jar for if in case the Tradespro didn't make the grader, but it passed the test. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Tradespro 14 volts 100 foot per pound 3/8 drive. I've got a reducer 3/8 to 1/2 inch. This is it for now. Everything I use in this video, I'll put a link in the description below until I'm ready to change the brakes and the lug nuts on the vehicle. That's it for now until the morning. Bye. Peace. Love you all.